Good afternoon. Thank you to the committee, and I would like to present about my paper. My name is Mirda Aprilia from Gajah Mada University about factor affecting farmers' willingness to pay on agricultural insurance program in Wajo District, Indonesia. Rice farming plays an important role in the availability of rice. However, the performance of farming to encourage the availability of rice is getting hampered. BPS data states that the contribution of farmer household to the food crop subsector has decreased by 5.24% in 2014. Rice farming has a high rise of crop failure due to various natural disasters such as floods, droughts, as well as pests and disease attack due to global climate change and fluctuating market price. This impact is a threat to rice farming and increase the risk that must be borne by the farmers themselves. If this continues, farmer interest in rice farming will decrease and result in decrease in national rice availability. This uncertainty and high risk allow farmers to switch to other commodities that have a high economic value with less risk failure. If this is allowed to continue, it's a fear that I will have an impact on the stability of national food security, especially to the production and availability of the staple food of rice. South Sulawesi is the province that experienced the highest decline in rice production, or gabah kering giling, which was 898,449 tons in 2019, especially in Wajo district as a center for rice production. The government issued Law Number 19, 2013 concerning protection and empowerment of farmer, Article 37, Paragraph 1 about the government and regional government in accordance with their respective authorities are obligated to protect farming carried by farmer in the form of agricultural insurance. Agricultural insurance in Indonesia began to implement it in 2016. The agricultural insurance program is implemented under the name of Asuransi Usaha Tani Padi, or AUTP. The government subsidies insurance premium at 80%, so that the premium paid by independent smallholder is 20% of the total of premium. The level of farmer participation in the agricultural insurance program show there are various reasons for the low participation of farmers in the agricultural insurance. We can see it at table 1. And the study aims for the first, determine the amount of willingness to pay of farmer of the agricultural insurance premium. And the second factor that affect the value of farmer willingness to pay on agricultural insurance premium. Literature review about this paper about agricultural insurance. Agricultural insurance has been applied in many countries. There are at least 86 countries that have implemented that agricultural insurance program relatively well. There are 3 models of agricultural insurance development, namely fully intervention system, public-private partnership, and pure market-based. WTP, willingness to pay, is the maximum price at that the consumer willingness to pay for a product or a good service of the marginal benefit that customer want. And several studies have been conducted on farmers' willingness to pay for agricultural insurance in Jesundar and Lalita and Lisviera on 2014. Material and method, the research location in Wajo District, South Sulawesi Province. The sample in this study is 146 rice farmers during the April until September 2019 planting period using the cluster sampling technique. And contingent valuation method is used to determine the willingness to pay of farmer on the premium. Ordinary risk score analysis method is used to determine the factor that influence that value of farmer willingness to pay on the OTP premium. The variables used this study are based on previous research, which can be seen in table 1 as below. The study used the contingent valuation method to analyze the value of farmers' willingness to pay to the OTP premium. The steps of contingent valuation method are building a hypothetical market, obtaining bid value for willingness to pay, calculating the average willingness to pay value, and the 4 estimating the action curve, and the 5 aggregating total willingness to pay data. Hypothetical market. OTP is a protection and guarantee program against the risk of farming failure, which aims to protect farmers from the risk of uncertainty. Becoming a participant in OTP, farmers can get compensation as working capital for the continuity of his farming business. Price of compensation giving is 6 million rupees per hectare per planting season, and determining of obtaining bids of willingness to pay using obtaining bidding value in the research is bidding game method. The initial offer start at the OTP premium price, which has been subsidized by the government of 80% of or 36,000 rupees per hectare per planting season. And calculating average willingness to pay, we can see at table 3 as below. And willingness to pay curve in the Wajo district, we can see the curve is fluctuating, and the aggregating of willingness to pay that obtained by using the average willingness to pay converted to the population, the aggregating value of respondent willingness to pay data on the OTP premium is 31,549,200 rupees. And the last factor affecting the willingness to pay on agricultural insurance premium is we are using multiple linear regression analysis. Several factors that affect the value of willingness to pay are land status variable, income, and claim status, and have a significant effect at the 99% level. And the conclusion of the research, the result of the research conducted on 146 response in Wajo Regency showed that the willingness to pay value of the respondent to OTP premium was 43,119 per hectare per crop season, or 23.94% of the premium value that had not been subsidized by the government. This value is higher than the current of government subsidies OTP premium of 36,000 or 20% of the premium value. The factors that significantly affect the respondent willingness to pay to the OTP premium are land ownership status, income, and OTP claim status. And thank you.